Okay, we're going to talk heavily into this part. We're going to talk about it mentally. All right, how many of you, when it says solve an expression mentally, be real honest, how many of you automatically start writing it out on paper? Be honest. Okay, I do.
How if you write the answers on paper after you do it mentally?
Hold up, say
No.
that again.
How many of you, when you see a problem like this and it says solve it mentally, do you kind of inwardly groan inside and think, I'm not sure I can do it mentally, but if I write it down, I'll do so much better. Okay, I have to write it down. Okay, I am that person. I have to write it down. Turn around, take a look at the rest of the class. Okay, don't show everybody. Okay, because here's the thing, you're not alone here. All right, you are not alone here. Secret, I love you. Don't work it. You can to a certain extent, but don't do the last one. Okay. All right, hands down.
Oh.
The first one we're going to look at is 5 times 4, or 5 times parenthesis 7 plus 4. Now, when we talk about, do you have a question, or you just raising your hand? Oh, okay, we're still up behind. Yeah. Okay, when we talk about parentheses, we're talking about order of operation. Parentheses is always going to come first. Okay? And when we do parentheses, we always do order of operations. We're always going to do left to right. Okay? So, and we'll get to that one in the second problem. Okay, so the first one we're going to do is 5 times parenthesis 7 plus 4. Okay, so you look at that and you realize it's not real difficult. Right? That's not super hard. Okay? So if I know it's in parentheses, the first thing I'm going to do, draw a stick for me, sir, is what? Jace. The first thing I'm going to do is what? Now if I'm going to do parentheses, what's first? Remember, parentheses are these things, right? I have to do what's inside them first.
7 plus 4.
7 plus 4 is what? 11. Okay? 7 plus 4 is 11. Folks, it is okay if you have to write things down. Nothing wrong with that. I do the same thing. Because it just, in my head, if I see it and it says solve it mentally, and if there's no paper, I am automatically on my leg writing something. Okay? Automatically. Because for me, it's I don't know why, I just have to do it. And for me, it helps. Okay? Because then I can, it's not, I visually see it, but I am seeing it like, okay, yeah, that's right. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to have 5 times 11. Draw a stick. Donovan, 5 times 11.
55.
55. Okay, so this first part was kind of easy, right?
Yeah.
5 times 11 is 55. Everybody sees that, right? Everybody has that copy down?
Yeah.
If you're doing double work, then you got it?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'm going to erase and move on to the next one, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Questions about that? Anybody so far? I know that one was not real difficult.
That was really easy.
I know. Okay, so now we have the next one. And again, please remember that we are doing parentheses. So it's 5. Is it 5 times 7 or 7 times 5?
It's 5 times 7.
5 times 7
They're all 5 times 7.
plus
5 times 4.
5 times 4. Please don't shout things out, please. Okay? 5 times 7 plus 5 times 4. Okay? although I know some of you can probably pretty easily figure this in your head, right? I'm not asking you to.
I feel like they're all gonna be the same now that I know
No.
the answer.
They're not all gonna be the same.
Okay.
All right? Don't shout out the answer.
Okay.
Do you have a question?
Yeah, I was gonna ask if I can do this by myself. On this question, because I can't.
You mean on the paper? Yeah, go right ahead. Okay? What I want you to realize, we do what's ever in parentheses. We start from left, and we work our way to the right. It's like you read. Okay? We start on the left-hand side, and we work our way to the right. We don't go backwards. All right? So, 5 times 7. Draw a stick.
In like 7 is like 5.
35. Okay, I'm doing this because that just makes it simpler so I know. And so you can see it. 5 times 7 is 35. Draw a stick.
No, it's not.
No, it's not in here.
I was.
Evelyn, 5 times 4
20.
is 20. Okay? Now I know I'm not done because I have this plus sign here. Okay? So I can add it like this. But how many of you have trouble looking at this, figuring out which way to add it? Trying to remember, okay, which one's my ones, which one's my tens? Be honest. And you're afraid you're going to get the columns mixed up. How many of you look at this and you're worried about which columns go where and you're afraid of getting them mixed up? And if you see something that's written like this, like 35 plus 20, and you're afraid, well, what if I put the 2 under the 5 and I get it mixed up and I add the wrong numbers? How many of you are worried about that? If you're sitting in the front, look around because you're not the only one. Okay? I said in the front. Okay? If you struggle with that, is there anything wrong with coming over here and writing it out? 35 plus 20? No, absolutely not. Write it out. Folks, I want you to realize that you are absolutely more than welcome to make yourself and make your life easier when it comes to math, when it comes to writing things down. Please, 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 please. Ashton.
Can I do this, or do you want me to wait?
I want you to wait, please. I want you to finish the last one. A, B, C, and D.
Yeah.
Okay. Bring me the.
I wanna wait till you do C. because
I just want to see what you did.
I
Yeah,
wanna
I
wait
don't
till you
understand.
do-
Oh, this helps you make it easier on yourself.
Can I do it back?
Yeah.
Can I come show you?
Hang on. Okay. So make it easier on yourself, please. Okay.
I'm waiting until you do C because
Okay. We're gonna add 5 and 5. So this answer is also 55.
I actually said 55 plus.
You accidentally added what?
I was gonna say 55 plus, but I was kind of, I thought it was like A.
Oh, you thought we were adding A and B together?
No, I thought it was like A. I thought like B was like A, and then it was like plus that. So it was like A, like 55 plus.
Oh, okay. All right. Did everybody get it?
yeah.
Better? Okay, good deal. Let it happen, don't it? All right, I'm erasing this one. Okay, let's take a look at letter C. I have 5 times 7 again. We should all know by now what 5 times 7 is. All right, do you have a question, sir? If it's about the back, I'm not answering those right now because, Ashton, you made the choice to work ahead. Okay?
It's just one question.
I know. And if you have one question and somebody else will have a question and somebody else have a question about something that I'm not looking at yet. Okay? And then 5 times 1 over 4. Is everybody with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Kind of. Sort
I
of.
work ahead so I can get it.
Okay. So we're gonna work it left to right. We know 5 times 7, everybody is?
35.
Okay. Noah, she worked your problems for you if you wanna. I don't know if you realized it. Okay. Now, I know that I still have this magic plus sign here. All right. So I'm gonna add 5 times 1/4. Now, this is something we've done recently, right? Okay.
Loud mouth frog.
It's okay. Go ahead and shut that for me, Ava. I know, but we've got to shut it, otherwise we're going to have distractions. Okay, Kate, straw stick, what do I need to do now? That is the next question, is what do I need to do now? Ashton, what do I need to do now? You might have to push out on it and then pull in.
Are we on the, so you gotta like, turn the 5 holes into a fraction, put a 1 under it.
Okay, so I'm going to say 5 over 1 times 1 over 4. All right, now what do I do? How do I multiply that? Draw stick.
Secret.
Secret. What do I do now?
You add them together.
Not yet. We're here. We're still in the parenthesis part. I have 5 over 1 times 1/4.
So first, so 5 times 1 and 1 times 4, 5, 4.
Good. Okay, stop right there, stop right there.
But how did you multiply?
Good question. How do you multiply that? You go.
Straight across.
Good. Okay, we're gonna go straight across. 5 over 4. Now, I can't add 35 plus 5 over 4. Okay, I cannot add 35 plus 5 over 4. It's not gonna work. Okay, so I have to do what? Avery?
You have to like use the line and divide.
I have to use that line, I have to use that magic line and divide. Okay? I have to use that line and divide. Okay, so I'm gonna divide 5 divided by 4. Okay, we've all done this multiple times now, right? Draw a stick. I'm hoping whoever I get will know what to do. Rihanna's not in here. Talia, what do I do? How many times? 1. Okay, this is what number? This is called what? My what number? Not yet. What's it called? No. It's the whole number. Remember that first number that we do is my whole number. Okay, 1 times 4 is?
Wait, 1 times what?
1 times 4 is?
4.
That's what I said, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I subtract it. 5 minus 4 is?
1.